In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create approval flows in Goodday. Approval flows are really useful when you want certain tasks to be reviewed and signed off before they move forward. In Goodday, we do this by customizing the workflow statuses inside a project. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the project where you want to add an approval step. Once you're inside that project, look for the status controls, usually found near the top of the interface where you see labels like Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. Here, we'll be working with the status area to adjust the workflow. Next, find the default status, such as Not Started, and click on the small arrow or drop-down icon beside it. This arrow opens up additional options related to the workflow. Instead of changing the status of a task, we're going to change how the entire workflow behaves for this project. From the drop-down menu, choose the option called Edit Workflow. This will take you into the workflow configuration area, where you can see all the statuses that tasks in this project can move through. Think of this as the map for how work progresses from start to finish. Inside the settings, make sure you're on the workflow section or tab. This is where you can add, remove, or rename statuses. We'll create a new status that can act as an approval step, such as pending approval or ready for review, depending on how your team works. Now, click on the Add Status option. This opens a small menu that lets you decide what kind of status you want to add. From that menu, select New Status. This tells Goodday that you're creating a completely new step in the workflow, not just reusing an existing one. You'll now be prompted to type in the name of your new status. Use a clear, descriptive name that everyone on your team will understand immediately, like awaiting approval or manager review. A good name helps avoid confusion later, especially when multiple people are using the same project. Once you're happy with the status name, click on Create Status to save it. After it's created, you can drag and drop it into the right place in your workflow so tasks reach this approval step at the correct time. That's it. You've added an approval stage to your Goodday workflow, and you can now start routing tasks through this new status for review and sign-off.